all children, as we have a problem in our online class. So I am doing that recording video. I'll send you with the, as I told you, I will send you, no? Okay, right. So what is our lesson? Trading agricultural produce. Okay. So of course I have given introduction about that. Right. So what is our concept now? Selling vegetables on streets. Okay. Selling vegetables on streets. You might have seen in your streets some members will come, were going and passing with the selling of vegetables, right? Who are selling by outside, okay? Even fruits, even vegetables, whatever we are calling as vendors, okay? We are calling as vendors. Here they gave an example about Gauri. Gauri is one of the vegetable seller, okay? We can call as small vegetable, we can call as vegetable vendor also, okay? See that where this Gauri is living in Siripuram village, okay? We are now discussing about a Gauri. We are just by knowing the case study of the Gauri, you may get to know that what was the work of them and how they are arranging their works, okay? And how the vegetable vendors, they are suffering, you are keen to know, no? So that's why I have given example about a Gauri. She lives at where? She lives in one village. The village name is Siripuram. What is the work of the Gauri? Vegetables vendor. Okay? Yeah. She buys seasonal vegetables from the wholesale vegetable market in a nearby town and sells them on streets, carrying the vegetables in a basket on her head. Okay? So how she will sell? Some of the vegetables she will grow up into in her fields, whichever it outside of her house, and some of the vegetables she will go to the market, wholesale market, and she will buy some of quantity or bulky of vegetables, okay, and she will pass us through the bus only, okay, she will travel through the bus. For that she will spend a nearly 25 rupees like that, okay, for transportations. And she will go to the wholesale market and there she will buy some bulky products of vegetables. When she come to the home, she will do all of the household works. Your mothers will do the household works, cleaning, cooking and getting up ready to you and feeding to you, that all, right? So Gauri also same. The early morning she is doing that all the works, and again she was going to wholesale market to buy the vegetables, and again after coming back then she will go to the streets for selling of the vegetables, okay, and after selling, if it is completed of one basket of vegetables, again she will rush to her house, again she will carry some more, and again she will go to the streets and selling of that vegetables, okay. So daily these type of work only have done by the Gauri, okay. And when Gauri is going to the wholesale market, when she is buying bulky, so she will get somewhat less price whatever she is selling. For example, when she is going to wholesale market, she buys 100 kilos of, okay, 100 kilos of tomatoes. For example, each kilo has just example I'll tell you 20 rupees for example, okay, 20 rupees. So after she is buying of each kilo 20 rupees, right? 100 kilos she bought it. So that 100 kilos when she is selling into the streets, she will give for each 1 kg is for 25 rupees. Okay? Right. So each 1 kg she will give 25 rupees. Like this she will get profit. But these profits she will not get always in the same way. See, for example, if it is sales in the morning or else within one day if she sells these tomatoes, okay, so she may will sell for only 25. But if it is not sales for good on that day, the tomatoes will become ripen and it will become spoiled, no? So that's why what she will do, if it is not sold out this day, the next day she will reduce somewhat price. like 20 rupees, like in that. So when she is selling of 20 rupees, the next day she is not meeting of his profit, yes or no? Yeah. So she is not getting the profits from it. But whatever she got the sales from the first day, no? So from that only she got earning somewhat. Okay. So like this she will do. Okay. So if it is the sales are good, then only she will got the profits just reasonably, or else she has to be sell not thinking of any of profit, just like in a work, or else she will sell that 22 rupees like that. It depends on, because the vegetables the vegetables and fruits, it's not able to storable one product, right? It will become very soon, it will be spoiled. So that's why she will do in that way. And sometimes, see, if she got sold out that all 100 kilos of tomatoes with the 25 rupees of price, so she will get the profits, right? Sum of amount whatever she got, for example 2000, just I'm explaining. Okay, this is cost. So just like 2500 may she got. Okay, so in that 2500 she will keep. In that 2500 she will do that, she will take out some of the money for spending of household expenses, buying of this or else anything, pulses, rice, like that. And the remaining money, okay, remaining money she will keep aside to buy the next days to go to the market to buy wholesale vegetables the next day. Okay, if she is not keeping, okay, if she is not keeping of reserving of this money, if she is not keeping of reserving this money, what she will do? When the next day when she is going to the wholesale market, she have to be borrow the money from money lenders for buying of vegetables from the wholesale traders, yes or no? When she is borrowing money, again she have to be paid, and in the return the next day or else within month with the paying of interest. If she is taking from the money lenders the money, okay, if she did not get the vegetable sellings in that month or else in that duration week, what will be happens? But the money lender will not accept if she will not pay back, right? So she have to be pay back in the terms when she will pay back, when she will get sales are good, then only she will pay back, no? So these all the cases they will face the many of the problems. So mostly these Gauri like many of small vendors, they did not give a priority for money lenders to take out the money from the money lenders. And you can get it out in previous class we have heard about bank loans. Okay. Yes, in agriculture in our times, at that time we have heard about bank loans. You are thinking that why you are going for money lenders? The banks are giving with a less interest. No. So for these small vendors, banks will not offer the money. Okay. For these small vendors, they will not get the loans from the banks. So obviously, what they have to do? They have to do their sellings as good in that day. From that, whatever they got earned, they have to keep aside, reserve, and that only they have to spend the next day's expenses. Or else, if it is not happened in that like in that way, they are get into the debts. Okay, that means appalapal. Okay, they are getting to the debts. What is in that form? That means, for example, she got earnings here. Within that one day or second day, she got sold out all of that, and from that she got profit also, and from that 2500 she kept aside for the next day. So she don't need to worry of anything, right? Or else not happen like this. So if she is not getting off any sellings, whatever she brought from the wholesale traders, okay. So what she have to do? Only she will sell that 15 rupees per kg the tomatoes to all within 2-3 days. So in that she will not get any profit whatever she has spent on this all from wholesale traders. Okay. So that means of what? She will not get off any of even like wages of a day also she will not get from that. Yes or no? So like that's why. So okay, when if they will sell these with a less price, they will not get the profits. At least only they will get the wages of that day. Okay. So when they are selling the vegetables in like this, due to the overloading carrying, no, so they will sick. They will fall sick and weekly or else monthly, like in that way. So at that time when they were fallen sick, they are keeping rushed into their houses, right? So at that time when there is no work for them, there is no money for them also. Okay. And in this way, same like Gauri, many of the small vendors they are facing problems. They are not getting the bank loans for like investments. Okay. And how much they have earnings on that day, so that is only their income of that day. Yes or no? So many of the people are living like small vendors in our Telangana. Okay. So not only in our Telangana, everywhere, but small vendors are facing a problem like this. But sometimes some of the help is what, they'll get the loans from in the form of self-help group from the Dwakra groups like that. So that money with the less interest, it is useful for them. Or else sometimes they'll go for in the street, some of the families come and they'll go for chits. Okay, in that way also they'll get some of income that they will use for capital amount for investments to the next day of sellings. Okay, right. So this is about same like vendors, same like Gauri. Many of the vendors were there. Okay, so next I'll continue.